Okay, lately I've been talking about viewers submitting scripts to me, and excuse me, Marc Gilligan, also known as Ulfnic, is someone I've been chatting with in my Matrix chat room. You can get there through my website, filmsbychris.com, Chris with a K, up at the top of the screen if you want to come and chat. And I just love a lot of what he does. A lot of stuff that he does, I know how to do using external tools, but he does them in pure bash, which is always is neat for me to look at. I'm not going to go over this step by step, but I just thought I'd share his code. There's a script link in the description. There's also a link right here too. You can see his GitHub page. He told me that he's releasing this under a BSD 0 or a Creative Commons 0 license, which basically just means it's in the public domain. Not licenses I love, but better than a proprietary license, and it's his code, so he can do what he'd like with it. Anyway, it's basically just this one function, and then, as an example, he calls the function with a bunch of different numbers. But basically, you're going to pass it bytes, and it's going to convert it to all these different formats and sizes using pure bash. So it's basically just creating an array with all the different values, and then it's doing some math and outputting the correct information. So we'll save that. I've already made it executable. I can run this script now, and it prints out this. So you can see all those values that were at the bottom of that file. Now you can see in bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, and terabytes, petabytes, so forth and so on. But yeah, I always just think it's neat when I see things done in pure bash like this. And so it's simple enough. You could take this function and put it in any of your scripts, and now you can convert bytes into other measurements, units of measurement. So yeah, check that out. Come chat with me and Marc and a bunch of other people at my Matrix chat room. And yeah, thanks for watching. Links to this code in the description of this video, and I hope that you have a great day.